Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make star delta stator wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. MCB circuit breaker, main magnetic conductor, overload relay, motor terminal box, delta magnetic conductor, star conductor. First phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, second phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, third phase connection input to MCB circuit breaker, three phase connection from MCB to main contactor, three phase connection outgoing from overload relay to motor terminal box, three phase connection outgoing from motor terminal box to star contactor, three phase connection short in star contactor, three phase connection to delta contactor, three phase connection from MCB and main contactor middle point to delta contactor. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.